Hiya fellas. Hey guys, tell me, would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more cash? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about how to handle failure, mistakes, or setbacks. Okay, Phil. First of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. It just tells me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, very, very awesome. So keep up. Okay, fellas, how to handle mistake, failures, or setbacks? Okay, guys. Before I start, listen to this quote. Okay, success consists of going to failure from failure without loss of enthusiasm. Okay, success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. This is a quote from Churchill, okay? And this one from David Ramsey. Success is a pile of failure that you're standing on top of it. Success is a pile of failure that you're standing on top of it. Okay, guys, what am I trying to say here? I'm trying to say that you, on your road to success, on your road to, for example, to find a good partner, a good wife, on your search of becoming a good entrepreneur, on your search to become a rich person, you're gonna encounter setbacks, Yes, you're gonna encounter. They are part of life. You're gonna encounter setbacks. But the thing is that you cannot let those setbacks define you. Don't let those setbacks define you. You have to let those setbacks teach you, so that next time you can, how can I say, you can move on with a different approach, You can move on with a different approach, It's just like, for example, you guys know this guy. His name is Grant Cardone, His name is Grant Cardone. He's real estate expert, and you see him a lot on YouTube, And this guy, he started his business by buying and renting a single family home, which was a great deal, in the beginning, because he would buy with the help of the bank, and then he would rent it. When he would rent it, then the tenants, they would give him a monthly income, and he continued to do this year after year, which was very profitable, But then something happened, When he was renting this single family home, what did happen is that one day the tenants of that single family home left, they left. And then what did happen? This guy, Grant Cardone, he had to, how can I say, pay for a house, he had to pay the rent on which he was not living in there, He had his own rent to pay, his own house, but he had also to pay the rent of a place where there was nobody, It was very difficult because he had to pay two rents, So his business, his asset, when the tenants left, became a liability, And if you read Robert Kiyosaki already said you cannot buy liabilities. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. If you're not seeing money get inside your pocket, then the business that you bought is a liability. So that was the problem. So after he encountered that problem, then after he had the opportunity to, to do the business again, So when he had the second opportunity to do the business again, this time he did not buy a single family home. What he did, he bought a multi-family home, 2 units or 3 units or 10 units, because he realized that the more units you buy, in reality, is that the more protective you can be, the more protection you gain. Because this is the thing, In times, like for example, you buy 10 units, 10 different homes, In the times of economic difficulties, normally people move, Normally people move. But when you have, like for example, 10 units, what you're going to realize it is that when people are moving, not everybody moves, If it is 10 units, maybe one home, the tenants, they can move. Second home, the tenants can move. But it is never like, for example, 4 tenants they are leaving or 5 tenants they're leaving. No. Most of the time, it is just 1, 2, or 3, And then if you have 10 units, and then you see like 2 units, the tenants have left, then you stay with the other 8 units. And those 8 units, they can still give you money, They can not only still give you money, but they can also cover the losses. They can also cover the losses of those units that there is nobody, Until you find the tenants to put inside those units, and then those units become 10 again, and then you receive money from 10 units. Does that make sense? So in other words, the more units you buy, the more protection you have. So this is the theory of Grant Cardone. That's why he always teaches to buy 10 units, 32 units, or 40 units. 40 units. If you have 40 units, that would mean that they are paying you at least like $40,000 a month. $40,000 a month, I mean, that's a good way of living, So that is the point. That is the point. This is how he got this theory. But you got to understand one thing. Right. He got this point, he got this understanding after he had the opportunity to learn from his mistake of buying a single family home. Okay? A single family home. Single family home for him was a mistake. Multi-units, multi-family homes, that's what he learned from his mistake. This is what you should be ingrained. The mistakes that you are having right now, whether it is in your relationship or in, in your relationship or in your business, they are learning experiences. Learning experience so that later you can take a different approach, Like, for example, let's say your girlfriend, she's upset with you, Don't go around and just break up with her or screaming at her or something like this. Try to understand the cause, Try to understand the cause. The cause could be like, for example, maybe you drink too much, or maybe you forgot to do a certain activity that's very important to her, Could be that, Then discover that. Once you discover that, next time take a different approach. She won't be any more upset with you. You gotta be able to see setbacks as learning experiences. This is how the rich get rich. The rich also make mistake. The rich makes mistake. The broke people, they also make mistake. But the rich, he learn from his mistake, and next time he take different approach. That's what you should be doing. So don't see mistakes as permanent downfall. See mistake as learning experiences, as hidden opportunities, as hidden opportunities. Okay? Okay, buddy, write your comments below and subscribe to my new channel and see the link, check the link below so that you can have the opportunity to see this free ebook that's going to teach you about problems of life and business. And by checking the link below, you're going to have the opportunity to check this online program that's going to teach you about how to make money in a very effective way online. Okay? Okay, buddy. So, understand. Mistakes are hidden opportunities. A matter of fact, failure is success if you learn from it. So don't let mistakes define you. Let mistakes teach you. Okay? Write your comments below, subscribe to my new channel, and I see you in the next video, buddy. Ciao.